Canva is life. Canva is everything. What can you not do on Canva? I'm not sure. I have barely even scratched the surface myself. Hey, welcome to another video. It's your boy Rick, and this video is based on my review on Canva or Canva Pro. Now, before I get into it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, especially if you appreciate all the information I've been providing you. And I'm just going to get right into it. Canva is life. Canva is everything. What can you not do on Canva? I'm not sure. I have barely even scratched the surface myself. Canva is an Australian graphic design platform used to create social media content, social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. This app includes templates for other users to use and to build upon. But I want to get into it right away so you can see for yourself what this whole app is about and why I love it, why I enjoy it, why I recommend Canva Pro to everybody. As you can see, Canva Pro is what I recommend for everybody. Yes, you can get Canva for free, but I promise you it's just limited. I recommend it for those who are not familiar with it. I get it. It does have a bit of a learning curve because it has so much in it, so much you can do with it. So I do recommend the free for those who just wants to get into it for a moment, just to see what it is all about. But I promise you, once you get into the Pro, that's where it all matters. For me, all the reason I needed the Pro was this: remove image backgrounds instantly with background remover, 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, and my favorite, resize designs infinitely with magic resize. I mean, I can't wait to show you what this is all about. What's great about it, it's also for enterprises. I guess when you're building your whole entire business team, when unlike me, it's just you solo dolo. But you can, here you have a minimum of 25 people, but I'm not even about to go into all this. I'm mostly focused on Pro. First thing you want to do is sign up if you haven't created an account yet. It's real quick to sign up. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up through Facebook, or sign up with a random email that you created. I have my own. So I'm just going to log in real quick. And we're in. So we're going to go straight to the home. And just look how massive. Look at all the templates they have, from social media, your personal. I mean, for social media, you have Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art. I mean, LinkedIn banners, personal. Maybe you're creating t-shirts. Maybe you're creating a resume. I mean, even for your business, maybe you're running a business, presentation, websites, logos, marketing, infographics, brochures, news. I mean, just look. The extent, it's just so much you can do with it, and so I enjoy it. I love how it's organized. It keeps your projects where you need to be. I've designed a couple things myself, mostly for like YouTube thumbnails. My banner for YouTube has been designed from there, as you can see. Started all generated from here. It started off originally as a template, and I designed over it. And it looks amazing. I enjoy it so much. Just type whatever idea you have in your mind. Maybe you want to create a reel cover. Search up different ideas for reel covers you can put on your Instagram or maybe your TikTok. Maybe you want to create an ebook. Let's create ebooks. Let's try. This looks interesting. The heist. Yeah, and you just rebrand it however you want to do it. And you can add your own table of contents and recreate it, rebrand it how you want to call it. And you just start writing all that conversation you want to. It's that amazing. This is why I enjoy Canva when it comes to creating whatever your thought wants to process. What also helps with Canva is if you use a website called pexels.com, where you can download pictures, photos, and just upload them into Canva's network. You know, you want to upload. I found pictures of healthy foods because of a video I was previously doing before. If you wanted to check that out, it's on my channel as well. This is the idea I was talking about, where you can put pictures of yourself. And my favorite is removing the background. It targets the picture you want to work with works around the template that you're using. And voila. You can make it part of the page. Resize it however you want it. When it comes to resize, you basically just figure out the dimensions of, or the aspect ratio of, whatever platform you want to use it for. Obviously, Instagram posts or one-on-ones are usually what they're called. Story, obviously, as well, changes the dynamic because they're elongated. What can't you do with Canva? It's hard to even me to really scratch the surface of it because there's so much. I mean, my whole logo was designed off Canva. My whole Be Better logo, Be Better for 24 logo, has been designed straight from Canva. My YouTube video has been designed straight for Canva. When you want to build a website, you want to use Canva. Now, when I first started with Canva, it was a bit too much for me to understand because I was not really, I had the vision, I had the eye for art, but I wasn't a creator. I wasn't the one designing it. But once you get used to it, like all things, takes practice. You just become so, it flows naturally. And the fact that it makes Canva so user-friendly, it practically does the work for you, as you can see from all the templates. You don't really have to overthink it when you want to design great art. Real quick, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Now, after showing you all that, remember, it's worth it, especially for the price. You can pay upwards. My favorite for Canva Pro is monthly, $12.99, $12.99, 13 bucks, where you can make a design that can potentially make you hundreds, not even thousands of dollars. What I mean by that is you can sign up for Upwork.com, create a design, and upload your work and sell it. I told you this channel is going to help you figure out ways to help you make money. And Canva Pro definitely can help you make some money if you use it right. At the end of it all, for me, Canva is life. I recommend Canva Pro to anybody signing up who's willing to get into figuring out all of its uses, all of its features. It really helped me build my online presence, and I know it could do the same thing for you. I'm also an affiliate with Canva Pro. So if you trust me and you're trying to get started into the world of designing for whatever reason it may be, click the link in the description below and start your 30-day free trial right now. And that's it for this video. I hope I provided as much information I can. Hope you enjoyed this entire presentation of why you should join up with Canva Pro. You should sign up with Canva Pro. I hope I cured any hesitations of why you might not want to. You're missing out if you do not sign up with Canva. Shout out to the creators of Canva, yo. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next video. Have a good day.